because it's like no place you've ever worked before. The place is clean, it's organized, it's run well. Dave's real progressive, forward thinking. His commitment to us is he wants to make this the place where everybody wants to come to work.
Definitely the most organized, most professional shop I've been in by far. You know, I've learned a lot. We've got great training. Everybody has the same kind of mentality, you know, do the right thing, and we just love what we do.
Great team. Everybody gets along good. Everyone kind of knows what they need to do, what's expected of them. Runs very smoothly.
I enjoy the meetings in the morning, you know, like everybody is able to explain what's going on. If there's any issues that, yeah, like I said, people are getting stuck on, then they can get addressed right away, or you can get some sort of advice and stuff. I think that's really nice. It's definitely a place where you can grow. I enjoy that about here because you have just a couple of big, bright minds that always kind of guide the way.
The shop is very well organized, very clean, good place to work. I've worked at a lot of different shops, and you walk into it, and as soon as you see how dirty it is, you just kind of know it's not going to be good. You can usually tell by how a shop is maintained, by how good it's going to be every day when you work there. This is by far probably the nicest shop I've ever worked at.
Benefits are good. It's everything about this business. Dave really puts together a great shop. I'd highly recommend anybody looking for a job, this would be the place to come.
The knowledge you'll get from Dave, the experience, but Dave's doing something different. Dave's focus is people, and it's nice to connect with people at work. And I've said that to my coworkers here, that sometimes y'all have been the best part of my day. Wasn't planning on it, but it's nice to know that you had a smile or a laugh thrown in on a day that was just feeling off.
So in order to work here, you got to be willing to learn, willing to grow, willing to take instruction. You got to be willing to share, not only receive what's given, but also share with the people around you. I really like the camaraderie, people in the shop. I think integrity is a huge deal. Being nice, having compassion, be a good person. Every day I come to work, I'm excited to come to work because I'm excited to be with these people that I work with. And you can't replace that. You can't replace that feeling.